Hello everyone, I'm Daya from Build with Innovation. In this video, let's see how to manage orders, the existing ones. So this is the order page and I'm pretty sure you would have known how to navigate to this page. If not, just log into your admin panel and then from the side menu, you'll have an option called orders. So if you click that, you'll get this page. So here we have pending, dispatch, delivered, products and payment pending, the 5 tabs. And the first one is pending. So here the topmost page you'll have an option called export pending orders. If you just click that, you'll be able to export all the data, like whatever data is there in this tab, you'll be able to export that as an Excel sheet to your computer or a laptop. And these are nothing but the orders. So whatever orders are placed, first it will be reflected in the pending page. So here we have too many orders and there are details like payment, so which is paid here, and the order ID, date and status and everything. So if you want to view the order status or about the details, so if you click the view order button, you'll be redirected to this page, which is nothing but the order details. So here you have the order status, which is confirmed, and the delivery schedule, which is not set by Pratiksha Shukla. And then we have the payment info. So the payment is paid by Razorpay. And next we have the vendor, so which is the vendor's name, and here it's Prashant Demo. And if you'd like to generate invoice, you have to click this to generate an invoice. So if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the products which are the part of the order. So in this order we have 3 products which are nothing but some curtain and wall decor and LED neon wall lights. So these are nothing but the products. And here we have delivery address, which is nothing but the user's address and pin code, state and phone number, the date which they placed the order and all. So those are the details here. And coming down, we have an option called delivery agent. So by clicking that, you'll be able to select a particular delivery agent for this order, but from user details you can assign a delivery agent, a default to specific users in terms of their future orders. The same delivery agent will be assigned just like vendors. And next we have additional information that is not provided here. If you need, you can set the additional information from users page too. And the order summary here is given as number of items, the price, and whether the delivery has cost, the total amount and everything. These are nothing but the order details. So since the order is confirmed, if you want to dispatch the order, so you can just click the dispatched icon here, and yeah, it will be moved from pending to dispatch tab. So I'll just dispatch this one after confirming all the details. So now order has been dispatched. So from the pending, it's now moved to the dispatch section. The second one is the order we moved from pending to dispatched, which is Meghan. So this is it. So as you can see, it has been dispatched, and if it's delivered, once it's delivered, you can click the delivered icon to move it to the delivered section. And just like the delivered section, you have products where the list of products are yet to be delivered are listed. So the number of products along with their IDs are shown here. So here you can see like the order ID, so number of quantities. So here one product is to be delivered, and just like that here 2 orders are to be delivered. So that's all about the products. Just like in pending, we have the export products for delivery in every option, be it in dispatched or delivered or products. Everywhere you have the option to export the data. So the last tab is payment pending. So this is the final tab where the orders, whether is it paid or unpaid, we can see that. So if it's unpaid, it will be shown here, whatever the order status might be. If it's unpaid, it will be shown here. So So here the order status is delivered but it is not paid yet. So this is how you manage your orders, people. Thank you.